respected coordinator sir and my dear colleagues. I will be taking up a simple technique for creating video tutorials which I use for most of my video tutorials. This is a screen recorder. The name of the screen recorder that I use is Xrecorder, which I have downloaded from Play Store. You can download any other screen recorder. Most of them have the same features. So let's get started. This is of immense value because it has helped me make and explain my graphs and solve my numericals for my students. The entire process has been rendered very easy and smooth for me. I will show you how I do my videos and how I draw my graphs and do my numericals and make the videos short or large according to my convenience and upload it for my students on the YouTube. I record my videos that have graphical or mathematical explanations in them with the help of this app. This is the Xrecorder app, which I have downloaded from the Play Store. You can download any other screen recorder app as well. Most of them have similar features and are compatible for all Android smartphones or tabs. I do this on my Samsung Galaxy tab, and this is the stylus that helps me draw the graphs or write on like a pen. It looks like a pen, but it is only for tabs and smartphones. Even if you don't have a stylus, this app has an inbuilt feature that will help you record and go on for using or writing as per your convenience. Here in the home page, you will find a settings icon. You can go into the settings and reset according to your specifications and requirement. Like if you want to record on the landscape or portrait orientation, you can change. You can change the video quality, the audio quality. You can also save the location of your recording. So you can go through each and every feature and adjust it according to your convenience. Sometimes we don't want to get disturbed, so we can just shake the phone to stop the recording as well. In case you want to take screenshots during your video, you can keep the screenshot option on. You can also click on the brush option if you don't have a stylus. In this case, what will happen is you will be enabled with a paintbrush, and accordingly, whenever you have to draw a graph or you have to write on the screen, you can use your fingertips to write on the screen, and with a few times of practice, you can perfect it. Every time you record a video or a clip, you will be redirected to that home page. And here you can see that many of my videos are also there on the list, and then you can merge the videos, or if you want to go for a single video, you can edit the video and then you can post it. So let's get started. I'll give you just a small briefing on how I do the videos. I usually do it on my Samsung Notes. If you don't have your Samsung Notes, in that case, especially when you are using your phone, you can use your WPS Word document, Paint page, or OneDrive Notes page also. You just have to have a white background for this. Here I take a non-text option, and I also have options for pen and colors, so I can choose my pen and color. Before I start recording, I prefer to put my topic and or whatever I am teaching that day. So say suppose my topic for the day is functions and graphs. So I write functions, and my handwriting is not well, so I can erase it through that eraser option as well. So there is a option of eraser, so I can erase it as many times as I want. Now say suppose this is functions I'm teaching, and then I could opt for clicking the start button. Now when the recording starts, I also start teaching it just as though I'm in classroom and this is my blackboard and I'm using chalk and duster to teach. So I can go on for, say, suppose I have a small numerical problem of showing two functions like y1 is equal to 4 minus 3x1 and y2 is equal to root over 8x2 on graphs. So for this, I'll just show how I draw the graphs. I just can show the students the two axes or the coordinates that I'll be taking, the x and the y-axis for both the graphs. So x1, y1. So it might be taken up for 3 coordinates or something like that. And we could go up to 3 or 4 coordinates to draw the graph. For drawing the graph, we can use multiple pens and multiple colors for it to make it more interesting, and we can keep on explaining the students on how to draw the graph as well. So here we have a wonderful way of drawing this graph. You can use a scale as well as I'm drawing, and nothing of it will be shown on the screen. Just the output will be given. As you can see, I have used a scale, but the scale is not visible on the screen. It's just the lines that are visible. And you can also keep on explaining while you're drawing about the different measurements and the divisions of the axis that you're taking. You can change the color of the pen to draw your graphs. Let's say suppose one of the graphs would go this way and the other graph would be somewhat this way. So you're getting two graphs, and there is also a point of intersection again. So this is the point of intersection. So you can explain your graphs. You can explain the mathematical portion also in details by writing, and you can also work it out for your students. And at the end, when you're done, you can just simply click off by going to the switch off button. As you press the stop button, this is the icon that will come on your screen. You have an option of preview, so you can play this and go for a preview. So say suppose my topic for the day is functions and graphs. So this is how your preview will look. You can just scroll down your preview, and you can also have an option of editing it. So we can go to the home. We can go back to the home page. Here we go back to the home page, and then if I require an edit, say suppose I require an edit for the same video, so I can just click on this icon here, edit icon, and I could opt for editing. I need to edit this video, so I'll click on that, and then I'll go for an edit. Editing has various options of speed. I can put in music, I can add text, and I can also trim. I basically use trimming and addition of music if I need in some of the videos where I'm showing audio visuals. Otherwise, I can just trim also. Along with this kind of trimming means I can trim down some portions which are not required, or where I have faltered in speaking, or in some technical some technical glitches have happened, or those might not be very well made. So in any kind of nuances that have happened, I can trim those portions off. In case I want to merge this video with another video, that can also be done. Just exiting this. So that can be also done through this option. I'll merge it. Here I can opt for 2-3 videos together. So I can opt for two videos here, and I can get them merged. So now what happens is both the videos have been merged, and I can preview here I can see a preview.
Topic for the day is functions and graphs.
So I can get a preview of this video over here, and at length I can save it from here.
So I
can save it from this option, save, and then when I save it, I'm taken back to the home page where my saved and edited videos will be marked as edited, like this. From here, I can share them from this share icon to any platform I want. Say suppose I have already edited this video, so I can share them directly either through, and I can share it to any platform. When I share, I'll be given options like this, like to save, to share it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, or Twitter. So I can share on these given platforms, or I can save it to my drive and share it to any other app I want later on through my laptop or my phone.